How to change the control panel on a Samsung phone. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device running the latest One UI 8.5, you can easily customize the control panel and quick settings layout. Let me show you how. First, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully open the notification panel. Then tap the pencil icon in the top right side to access the panel settings. Tap on Panel Settings in the top left corner. Here you'll see two options, Separate and Together. If you select Separate, when you swipe down from the left side of the screen, you'll open the Quick Settings panel. When you swipe down from the right side, you'll see your notifications. This makes it much easier to access either section with a simple swipe. If you select Together, you can access both Quick Panel and Notifications when you swipe down the notification panel. If you want to customize the Quick Settings buttons, open the notification panel again and tap the pencil icon. Then select Panel Settings. Tap on Edit Top Quick Settings. You'll see the top 6 Quick Settings tiles that appear in your control panel. To remove a tile, tap the minus icon. To add a new tile, simply tap any icon from the available list below. For example, let's add Mobile Hotspot. Once you've arranged the tiles the way you want, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Now when you swipe down, you'll see your customized Quick Settings panel with your favorite controls right at the top. And that's how you can change and customize the control panel on your Samsung Galaxy phone running the latest One UI 8.5. Thanks for watching.